going to show you how easy it is, okay?
Okay.
The first thing I want to do is get all the breading ready.
Okay.
So as long as you get that, then you just put the pork chops in there. It's fast.
Okay.
Well, here are the pork chops. Let me just show them to you for a second. Look how pretty these look. They're center cut pork chops.
They're so lean.
You know what? Why don't you salt and pepper these real quick?
Okay. I'm surprised that you're salting pork because I always thought that pork was really salty, so I would be afraid to do this on my own.
The pork is really salty on its own? Plain? Really?
I thought it was.
Oh, who told you that?
I don't know. It's a belief I have.
One of many that we might dispel a few today, right? Turn them around, and then you can salt and pepper the other side.
Okay.
Well, you heat up the pan to about a medium heat and put approximately 6 tablespoons of olive oil in there.
Okay.
Because we are going to fry these babies up. Not deep fry, but pan fry. So I have some Parmesan-Crusted, just grated, I brought. Do you like this kind of cheese?
I
It's
love
not
it.
too strong for you,
Oh, no,
right?
I love it.
It gives the pork chops, the crust of the pork chops, so much flavor. So heat up that pan, a couple of eggs. Beat the eggs, just so you break the yolks and they can coat the pork chops. And I'm going to show you a little different way of coating these pork chops than maybe what you're used to seeing.
Oh, good.
Okay. Now, I'm going to get the breadcrumbs. Italian-style breadcrumbs, just the ones that I like.
The seasoning, right?
Yeah, there's seasoning and there's parsley in it too. So they're sort of done, everything's done for you.
What else is in there usually? Is it salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper
herbs?
and herbs, right. So
Okay.
they're really great. I'm glad you have those. So
Lulu
now we've got
likes the
all.
breadcrumbs.
What's that?
Lulu likes the bread.
I can, yeah, now all of a sudden she's moved close by. Hey,
Yeah,
Lulu.
yeah, she'll be close by.
She's so happy. So I'm going to take a pork chop and watch this.
Okay.
The seasoned pork chop, I'm going to put it directly into the Parmesan
I
cheese.
thought it usually goes in the egg first.
Exactly. It usually does. But this is a really great way to make these because it makes for a really great crunch on the outside. Then we go into the egg. So just take some of the extra egg off of them because you don't want a big, thick, eggy layer.
Okay.
And then straight into the breadcrumbs. And we just pat the breadcrumbs right all over it. Make sure that they stick to the eggs. Just like that. And you could do this breading ahead of time too.
Okay.
So you could do this a few hours ahead of
Oh,
time.
that's great.
Keep it in the fridge, and then when you're ready to fry them up, fry them up. Or you could even fry them up and then keep them warm in the oven.
See,
At a
all
low
of that
temperature.
always confuses me. So at a very low temperature,
At
I
a
guess.
very low temperature.
So if you're having people
Like
over-
250. At 250, you can keep them warm, and they won't dry out.
Oh, I love that.
And that way you're not frying up when your guests come over.
Yeah.
They take about between 5 and 6 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the chop. And my Parmesan cheese pork chops, they just finished cooking in the oven, and all they need is a squeeze of lemon right on top.